Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. Libra, in this reading, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy first. Okay, and then we'll proceed with the readings. Ooh. So Libra, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Okay, so we have got Six of Cups in reverse. Libra, are you guys feeling isolated or feeling alone? Or perhaps it's not the other person who has made you feel alone. It's you who wants to be alone right now. Okay, you don't want to meet anyone, you don't want to talk with anyone, you don't want to make connection with anyone right now. You are you are completely in isolation with the Six of Pentacles. So you are not meeting with anyone, you are not talking with anyone. Okay, and when it comes to relationship thing, you are taking your own time. Okay, you are not in any kind of hurry to communicate with your person, okay, or to talk with your person. Okay, so you are being very silent, you are being very self-centered, I would say. Plus you are also in that energy that okay, I don't want anyone, or I don't need anyone, I don't want to talk to anybody, I don't want to share my emotions with anyone. Okay, these are my emotions and I know I can handle that. So I know I don't need anyone to share my emotions, to share my secrets, to share my thoughts. Okay, I just want to be alone right now, I don't want to talk to anyone, I don't want to see anyone. Okay, so there is no meeting, there is no reunion, there is no uh, um, get together is happening in your life right now, Libra. Okay. Okay, now let's see what is your partner's current energy. The World. Something has ended here. Okay, Libra, in your person's life, some cycle has been ended. I feel that your person has ended this chapter. With this World card, I feel that your person has moved on. Okay, or moved out from this relationship. They have known or they have felt that okay, with you their chapter is closed now. Okay, with you their chapter is end now. Okay, there is nothing which they can do in this relationship or you can do in this relationship. So they are feeling they have a sense of closure within them that okay, now this connection with between me and my Libra is end now. Okay, and nothing can make it nothing can be done in this relationship. So I feel that Libra, your person has given up, your person has moved out, your person have understood the fact that it's okay, it is just a part of life. Okay, if my relationship with Libra has ended now, I'll be fine. So some cycle has been ended in your person's life. Okay, and when some cycle or something ends in the life, something new is about to begin, or something new has already been started. So I feel that one cycle has been ended in your person's life and the another cycle has been started, another cycle has been begun in their life. Okay, so maybe they are into their own life or in their own life journey, they are doing their own stuff, they are really working hard towards their own goals, towards their own expansion, towards their own success. Okay. Okay, so Libra, that was your partner's current feeling, sorry, energy. Now let's see, Libra, how you feel about your person and how they feel about you. How Libra feel about their person and how Libra people feels about them. Okay, the Hermit. And how Libra people feels about them. Okay, so we have the Hermit. So Libra, with this Hermit card, I feel that you think about your person as somebody who is being very observant nowadays. Okay, they are being very analytical about certain things in life. Okay, you see them as somebody who who thinks, tries to take any decision in life. Okay, they are being very focused. They know that that nobody's going to be their savior, so you feel that they are taking their steps, I mean they are taking baby steps towards their success. Okay, or towards something in life. So you feel this person, that this person, maybe they don't talk to you, or maybe they don't acknowledge that thing or anything with you, but you feel that they notice each and everything about you. Okay, the way you talk, the way you smile, the way you say something. So you know that this person is very much into me, but something is there in their life that they are holding back. Okay, or maybe they are just being observant. Okay, and yes, with this Hermit card, you feel that they are someone who thinks a lot before taking any decisions. Okay, they are a big time thinker. Okay, and yes, plus sometimes you feel good that your person notice each and everything about you, and sometimes it's like a little irritating for you that uh, even though they notice each and everything within you, but they don't talk to you. Okay, so there is silence from their side. Okay. Okay, so we have Temperance and the Star. Let's see what your person thinks about you. Libra, your person feels about you that you are somebody who needs to create balance into their life. They feel that you are somebody who is not in balance right now. Okay, maybe you are giving, you are doing something which is not required. Okay, right now. Okay, and at some point of time they feel that you are mature, but at some point of time they feel that you are immature. So I mean, you must have shown given them some hints. That's why they are a little confused about you. Plus this Temperance card, they also feel about you that my Libra people needs to think, needs to do some some introspection thing. Okay, why they are thinking in that manner, or why they are talking in that manner. Okay, so Libra, your person feels about you that you should talk to yourself first, only then you can bring clarity in your life with the Star card. So even though this Temperance card means balance, but your person feels that there is no balance in your life. They really want you to bring balance into your life. Okay, you need to know how to maintain balance with between your personal and professional life. Okay, so perhaps you are somebody who is a workaholic person. Okay, and who doesn't have time to talk. So this is the I mean, that could be their real concern, that this person doesn't know how to create balance within personal and professional life. So anything could be happen. So basically the bottom line is that your person feels that you are somebody who doesn't know how to bring balance into your life. Okay, plus they also feel about you that once you will bring balance into your life, you will definitely get the clarity. Maybe perhaps I feel that Libra, your person also feels with this Temperance card and the Star card that you are somebody who has so many options in their life. Okay, in terms of emotion, in terms of love, in terms of relationship. So your person feels that this Libra, my Libra person, has so many options in his life. So okay, so so this is this could be one of the reasons that they are not talking to me, or plus they have there is a lack of balance in their life. Okay, plus see, at some point of time you also know that your person is your own your person is your main clarity. Okay, but still you are like so confused, or you are like so so much involved with so many other people, that your person feels, Libra, that this person, even though he or she, okay, uh, have soft corner for me, but why don't they show that thing to me? Why don't they show their emotions to me? Why don't they confront in front of me? So that's why your person feels that you need to bring balance into your life. Okay. Okay, now let's see, Libra, how you see this relationship and how they see this relationship. Knight of Swords. Oh, we have Knight of Swords. Libra, I feel that most of you feels that this relationship is going or running very rapidly. I mean, you are not even in a state of mind that you could even accept the fact that, oh my god, this relationship is running on a very fast speed. Okay, I'm not able to gather all the information, or I'm unable to talk my person, or I'm unable to share my emotions with my person. So this thing is for you, from your perspective, you feel that this relationship is going on a bullet train speed. Okay, but I feel that you don't want that. Yeah, so you feel that this relationship and your person is, running after you, or they might be chasing you, or they just want to be with you, or they want you in their life. So anything could be happen, but the thing is that I feel that you are scared of this relationship. You're not able to digest that how can this relationship go so fast. Okay. It could also happen for some of you that, Libra, you feel that it's okay, whatever happened. Now I should take I should take charge of this relationship, and I should start talking or start communicating with my person. Okay, since they were into this hermit energy, or they are into this hermit energy, and they are into this world energy, this is their current energy, I told you. So for them, this chapter has been closed. I feel that you really want to talk to them with this king of sorry, knight of swords card. You feel that, oh, it's, I mean, you feel that I should really talk to them before they completely moved out, or completely cut off all the communications from me. Okay. Okay. Wow. These are your partner's energy: seven of swords and eight of and the strength card. Your person feels about this relationship as they should move out as fast as they can. The seven of swords card is telling me this thing, that they just want to move out from this relationship. Maybe, as I told you, that for them this cycle has been complete. Okay, they have moved on. Okay, they have given up, and they have no regrets, no grudges, no negative emotions for you, Libra. So they just want to move out from this relationship. They have, I mean, they have carried all their dignity, their self-respect, their emotions, their mental peace, their mental balance. They have carried all the things. Okay, and they are just running out of this relationship as fast as they can. Plus they are also being very strong right now. They are also being very strong minded person right now, that it's okay if my Libra people, if my Libra person comes and talk to me, I will talk to them, but I'm not going to be this, I'm not going to entertain them anymore, or I'm not going to talk to them on specific topics like emotions or love or relationship or something like that. So they are being very strong headed person, Libra. Okay, they are moving out, they are being very strong headed person. Plus the best part is that they are healed. Okay, they are not cursing you, they are not they don't have, I mean, they are not keeping any grudges for you, they are not keeping any negative emotions for you. But I feel that they are someone who has, said to themselves that it's okay, this is my limit, I cannot stretch beyond that point. Okay, if Libra people does not want me in their life, it's okay, I'll be fine, I'll be good. I don't have any grudges, I don't have any negative emotions, but I'll be out. Okay, so that's how your person feels about this relationship. Uh-oh. So this is the Queen of Wands card. This is going to be the future potential of this reading or this relationship. So I feel with this Queen of Wands card, Libra, I feel this is your person. This is your person, Libra. I feel that in future you'll try to communicate with them, you'll try to talk to them, okay? But there won't be any fruitful result you will get in future from their side. Okay, they are Queen of Wands. Okay, they have this action wand in their hand, and plus they have this flower in their hand. But the time when you will going, I mean the time when you are going to contact them, the time when you are going to talk to them, that time they'll be in that position that they won't accept you. Okay, plus they won't they will listen to you but they won't accept you, or they won't be able to give their emotions, their love and their affection to you one more time. Okay, see, this person has action wand. Okay, this queen has this action wand in her hand. Okay, that means she can take action. Okay, but she won't. She doesn't want to take any action, and she won't take any action towards you, Libra, even though she will hear you out. Okay, whatever you are going to talk to them, whatever you are going to say to them, they will definitely going to hear you. But that emotional portion of their heart has been closed for you. They will listen to you but they can't help you, and they won't help you. Okay, it's sad. It's sad. Okay, Libra, I think you have lost the good person. I don't know, but my heart said just sad reading. Anyway, so Libra, I feel that some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Six of Cups in reverse. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit card. Some of you could be dealing with Leo with this Strength card. We have another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Seven of Swords, Knight of Swords. Okay, we have Sagittarius in this reading with the Star card. We have Aquarius in this reading with this Sagittarius with this Temperance card, and the Aquarius with the Star card. Okay, we have fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with Queen of Wands. Okay, Libra, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and wish you a very happy new year. God bless you. Bye bye.